If you're out running errands and you're in the mood to pick up some beauty products while you're out and about, there are so many brands that are available at drugstores like CVS or Walgreens, as well as Target. And because of Target's partnership with Ulta Beauty, you can find so many more brands there. I'm making this video because I want to share some of my favorite products, or maybe some brands that are alternatives to some higher priced products, just so that way you have some maybe new ideas, or you learn something about a brand you've been curious about or didn't even know about. This is not sponsored by anyone. This is just me sharing my thoughts with you. So let's go through some products and some brands that I have discovered that I do actually like, and in my opinion, are products that I would continue to use. Let's start with the brand Sunbum. This is a sunscreen brand. Originally, I started using them for their spray-on sunscreen for the body, and eventually my collection of their products just started growing. I love that I can find it in so many different stores, especially if I'm traveling somewhere sunny and maybe forgot to bring my sunscreen. Sunbum is such a great choice. This right here is a tinted sunscreen moisturizer meant for your face. Honestly, my collection of their products has continued expanding. I couldn't even tell you how many different variations of their sunscreen that I have all around. When it comes to foundation, I recently tried this NYX foundation. NYX Professional Makeup. This is the shade 6 Light Make-up Wonder Soft Matte Buildable Foundation. It's, in my opinion, inexpensive, easy to apply, and does the trick if you're looking for something quick. I started exploring more drugstore foundation brands if I was traveling a lot and I ran out, or I forgot to pack something and would do like a random run somewhere. Because of Ulta Beauty at Target, I was able to find this Bioma clarifying serum. I have so many products from Bioma for my face and for my body. This one is my all-time favorite, but I love that it's easy to just randomly find them at a Target. This I also purchased at Target. This is from Hers. It's the hair regrowth treatment. I love using this in my concern areas where personally I notice that it's getting thin. So I love using this. I've been using this for pretty much the entire year now. This Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm. This is the shade Red Dahlia. It's a pretty little shade. I like using it if I want a little bit of color on my lips, but I don't want to full out do lipstick and liner. Let's go to nails for a second. I don't know how many shades are still available in this line, but this is the Sally Hansen Pure. I have a top coat, a hardener, and this is the shade Pink Cardamom. I have all of these here. You can tell how much I use them. The labels are peeling off, but I just like their Pure collection. I started trying it a while ago, and then if I'm out randomly and see a color, I'll pick it up sometimes. I don't know how much the line is available anymore though. This is by Kiss, my out and about random drugstore nail pickups. Usually I go to the brand Kiss. So I have this brush on glue here. I also have, well, I have 3 different styles. This is Glam. It's embellished core. It has a design on it, and nail drip. It has a solid color and then some detailed accents. Stay tuned for when I apply these. I'll show you videos of them up close and in a better light. La Roche-Posay. This is the Hyaloo B5 Sur Activated Cream. Smoothing, repairing, replumping. This is what it looks like. My skin gets so dry when I'm traveling. So I love having a moisturizer that is one that I can lean on when I have long travel days. It's easy to pack with me. It's only 1.69 fluid ounces, so I'm able to travel with it. Those are some of my random and favorite beauty brands when I'm out and about and traveling. You can shop all of these using the links in my video description, and thank you in advance for using those links when you shop.